wabarakatuh. Good morning, viewers. I'm Sri Mulyani is here to deliver today's top news about massive flood hit Jakarta in 2025. 9 dead, 90,000 displaced and lost reached a 4 trillion. In early March 2025, Jakarta and its surrounding areas were struck by the worst flood since 2007 extreme rainfall. An overflowing river caused 9 fatalities, displaced over 90,000 residents, and resulted in estimated a 4 trillion damage. The flood, which occurred between 2 and 6 2025, were triggered by the intense rainfall over the upstream areas such as Bogor. Major rivers like the Ciliwung and Cisadane overflowed, overwhelming Jakarta outdated drainage system. In addition to natural factor, rapid urban development in surrounding areas like Bogor, Bekasi, and Tangerang worsened the situation by reducing water absorption zones. More than 90,000 evacuated people were forced to evacuate to temporary systems scattered across the region. The flood also damaged critical infrastructure, including major roads, bridges, and public facilities. Economic loss are estimated for trillion, covering property damage, business distribution, and disaster response costs. The central and local governments quickly mobilized emergency and distributing food supplies, providing medical service, and organizing evacuation. President Prabowo Subianto ordered a comprehensive review of flood control system and accelerate stalled infrastructure projects. However, many critical the government response as slow, citing poor coordination among agencies. That's the main news today. I'm Sri Mulyani. Take my leave and resign. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.